Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to enable the sound effect on your Google keyboard. So for this guys, first you need to open the Google keyboard app on your phone. After this guys, here you can get the settings gear icon on your keyboard. Just open it, okay, and in the settings guys, open preferences and slightly scroll down. Here you can get the option sound on key press. Just you need to enable this option. So if you want to customize the volume of the sound effect, just tap on volume on key press. Just here you can easily able to increase that sound. After this guys, just tap on OK. That's it. So when you type anything on your keyboard, it will give you some sound effect from your keyboard. As you can see guys, I think you are listening. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.